Hey guys, it's James with AutOdometer, and today I wanted to see if there was a difference between the wheel cleaner and the heavy duty wheel cleaner from Griots Garage. I was going to do a simple test here and just take some blue painter's tape and tape it down semi-middle of the wheel and do the best I can to keep the spray from one wheel cleaner off of the other side. Now, the wheel cleaner from Griots Garage comes in 22 ounce, 35 ounce, and gallon sizes. Now, when comparing the 22 ounce size, the regular wheel cleaner is 50 cents per ounce and the heavy duty wheel cleaner is 84 cents per ounce. At 35 ounces, you're looking at 63 cents per ounce for the heavy duty and 43 cents per ounce for the wheel cleaner. When you get to the gallon sizes, you're looking at 43 cents per ounce for the gallon size for the heavy duty and 27 for the wheel cleaner. Now, the only difference I could find between the heavy duty and the regular was that on the website they claim that you should use the heavy duty for wheels that have not been cleaned for a long time. Now, if that means 3 months to you, 6 months, or a year, now that's up to you. Now, I think chemically the heavy duty wheel cleaner has some sort of iron remover in it because it's supposed to change color. So first up, to do this test, let's go ahead and put some tape down the middle, get 2 buckets, get a clean long wheel brush and a clean small detailing brush, and let's get at it. Now, in my opinion, I don't really think there was any visible difference in the left side or the right side, and I can't justify spending more money for something that does just as good a job. Now, I haven't cleaned these wheels since December, so the brake test has been on there for about 5 months. Now, the only application I could see the heavy duty wheel cleaner being used in is if somebody completely neglected their wheels for 3, 4, 5 years or even more. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more detailing videos. And with that, thanks for watching.